Let me be straight with you right now. You are one decision away from completely changing your financial future, and the frustrating part is that decision is not complicated. It never was. But nobody ever sat down with you and actually explained it in a way that made sense for your real life, your actual situation, the one where money feels tight, the future feels uncertain, and the whole concept of investing feels like something reserved for people who already have everything figured out. I know that feeling. The one where you open your banking app and feel that quiet weight in your chest. The one where you watch prices go up on everything, while your savings just sit there, slowly losing their power. The one where you hear people talking about the stock market or compound interest, and you just nod along because you do not want to admit that none of it clicks for you yet. That feeling is not a character flaw. It is a gap in information, and today we are closing that gap permanently. Here is what nobody tells you. The people building real wealth right now are not smarter than you. They did not start with more money than you. They simply started with a plan when most people were still waiting for the perfect moment. And the perfect moment, by the way, does not exist. It never has. Every single day you wait costs you something, and we're going to talk about exactly what that cost looks like in very real terms. Before we go deeper, I want you to know that we have related programs linked below in the video description that go much further than what we can cover here. Real frameworks, real strategies, real tools built specifically for people who are serious about making this change in their lives. Most people scroll past things like that, and honestly, that is exactly why most people stay exactly where they are. If you already know everything is fine, you would not be here watching this. Take a look when you are ready. Now let us get into this. Picture two people, same income, same starting point, same city, same rent, same grocery bills. One of them starts putting away a small amount every single month into a simple investment account. The other keeps saying they will start when things calm down, when they get a raise, when the kids are older, when the timing feels right. 5 years pass. 10 years pass. The gap between those two people is not just money anymore. It is freedom. It is options. It is the ability to walk away from a job that drains you, to say yes to opportunities you used to have to refuse, to stop calculating whether you can afford an emergency or a dream. That gap is what we are talking about today, and it starts with understanding something called compound growth. Here is the simplest way to understand compound growth. Your money makes money, then that money makes more money, then all of that money keeps growing. You do not have to be a math genius, you just have to start. If you invest a modest amount consistently, even a small amount, over time the math does something almost miraculous. It multiplies not by addition but by multiplication. And here is the brutal part. Every month you delay, you are not just losing a month of growth. You are losing the growth on that growth, and the growth on that growth on that growth. The cost of waiting is invisible in the short term and devastating in the long term. Now I want to talk to the part of you that has tried to get into this before and hit a wall. Maybe you looked at investing apps and felt overwhelmed by the options. Maybe you read articles that assumed you already knew what ETFs and index funds and asset allocation meant. Maybe someone in your life made a bad investment, and that fear got passed down to you like it was a warning, instead of just one person's specific experience in a specific moment. You absorbed someone else's fear and made it your story. That story is costing you every single day. Here is the plan. Simple, clear, and built for real people. Step 1 is this. You open a brokerage account. Not because it sounds fancy, but because it is the vehicle. Think of it like opening a bank account, except instead of your money sitting still, it goes to work. There are platforms built specifically for people who are just starting out, with no minimum requirements and no complicated jargon. You can do this in the same amount of time it takes to watch a TV episode. Step 2 is automating a fixed contribution every single month. This is where most people get it wrong because they say they will invest what is left at the end of the month. There is never anything left at the end of the month. That is not a budget problem, that is human psychology. When you automate your investment first, before you spend, before you feel the money, it disappears into your future without friction. This is called paying yourself first, and it is the single most powerful behavioral shift in personal finance. Step 3 is choosing a broad market index fund. This is not a hot tip. This is not a gamble. A broad market index fund is essentially a small slice of hundreds or even thousands of companies at once, spreading your risk so thin that no single company's failure can ruin you. Historically, the overall market has climbed upward over long periods of time despite crashes, recessions, global events, and every catastrophe you can imagine. It has recovered and it has grown. Your job is not to predict the market. Your job is to stay in it. Step 4 is leaving it alone. This is simultaneously the easiest and the hardest part. Your emotional brain will try to pull you out when the market drops. It will feel like bleeding, like panic, like urgency. But the people who sell during a downturn are the same people who buy back in after the recovery at higher prices. The investor who stays calm and stays in is the investor who wins long term. Discipline in this moment is worth more than any hot stock tip you will ever receive. Step 5 is gradually increasing your contribution whenever your income grows. Not dramatically, not painfully. Even a small percentage increase compounded over years becomes staggering. This is the habit that separates people who invest from people who build wealth. Now let us talk about what this actually looks like in your life on the other side. Not in abstract terms, but in the moments that matter. It looks like not lying awake, calculating whether your checking account will survive an unexpected car repair. It looks like your child's education not being entirely dependent on debt. It looks like being able to choose a job because it excites you rather than because you cannot afford to leave the one you have. It looks like retirement being something you approach with anticipation instead of dread. It looks like the heaviness in your chest when you check your finances slowly, gradually, becoming something lighter, something that feels like confidence instead of fear. That transformation is not a fantasy reserved for people who got lucky or inherited something. It is available through consistency and a simple plan executed over time. The math does not care about your past. It only cares about when you start. And the most important investing rule in existence is this: the best time to start was years ago, and the second best time is right now, today, with whatever you have available. Here is what I need you to understand about your next step. Most people watch videos like this, feel genuinely inspired, and then close the tab and do nothing. Not because they do not want to change, but because inspiration without a clear path forward fades within hours. The feeling you have right now, this clarity, this readiness, it has an expiration date. An action taken now is worth infinitely more than a plan made tomorrow. The programs we have linked below in the video description are built exactly for the person watching this right now. Person who is done waiting, done feeling behind, done watching other people move forward while standing still. These resources do not assume you already know everything. They meet you exactly where you are and take you where you want to go. The people who found them and actually use them describe it as the moment things finally clicked after years of confusion. Not everyone who comes across them takes action, but the ones who do never regret it. That next step is waiting for you right below this video. Take it today while the clarity is still fresh. Tomorrow you will thank yourself more than you can imagine right now.